Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg omelet sandwich. Whisk 2 eggs with salt and pepper, then heat a non-stick pan with butter. Pour eggs and gently push edges to form a soft omelet. Add cheese if you like. Fold and transfer onto toasted bread with mayo or hot sauce. Press briefly, slice and serve immediately while warm. Use medium heat and cook 1 to 2 minutes for softness. For variations, start with the basic omelet, then layer fillings like sautéed mushrooms, spinach, ham, or sliced avocado. Use shredded cheddar or Swiss for melting, and add herbs like chives or parsley for brightness. To make it portable, wrap the omelet in foil after assembling on bread, or grill the sandwich briefly for a golden crust. Adjust salt and pepper, and taste as you go for balanced flavor. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfortable during morning kitchen shifts and make a small luxury. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider trying a pair yourself for daily comfort. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Timing matters. Cook the eggs on medium heat and remove before they look fully set to avoid dryness. If the omelet breaks, fold pieces onto the bread and press to hold. For fluffier texture, add 1 tablespoon water per 2 eggs and whisk vigorously to incorporate air. Clean and reheat the pan between batches to maintain even cooking and prevent sticking. Experiment with heat levels and fillings to find your favorite combo.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.